In this video, you'll learn how to do redirects on Squarespace. Redirects are incredibly useful when you want to guide visitors from an old URL to a new one, ensuring they end up in the right place without hitting a dreaded 404 error. Whether you're updating your site, rebranding, or simply reorganizing your content, redirects are an essential tool for maintaining a seamless user experience. Let's dive into the steps to set up redirects on Squarespace. First, log into your Squarespace account and head over to your website dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. From here, navigate to the settings section. This area is where you can control many of your site's features, so it's good to get familiar with it. As you scroll down through the sidebar navigation, keep an eye out for the Developer Tools option. It might be nestled towards the bottom, so take your time to ensure you don't miss it. Click on Developer Tools, and you'll find a variety of advanced settings that can help you tweak and refine your website. Next, click on URL mappings. This is the section where you'll configure your redirects. URL mappings allow you to specify which old URLs should point to which new URLs. It's a straightforward system that keeps everything organized. Now it's time to add your redirect details. In the URL mappings area, you'll be presented with a field where you can input the old URL alongside the new URL you want it to redirect to. It's as simple as typing in the old URL followed by the new URL, separated by a space, and prefixed by a /. For example, if you're redirecting from old page to new page, you'd enter it just like that, ensuring there's a space in between. Don't forget to hit save to ensure your changes take effect. Once you've saved your mappings, your redirects should be live. You can test them by opening a new browser window or tab and typing in the old URL. If everything is set up correctly, you should be redirected to the new URL seamlessly. That's it. You've successfully set up redirects on Squarespace. Keep in mind that redirects are a powerful way to manage changes to your website without losing traffic or confusing your visitors. It's a small step that makes a big difference in user experience and SEO. This quick tutorial has shown you exactly how to handle URL redirects on Squarespace. Remember, managing redirects is an ongoing task, especially if you frequently update your content or design. Regularly check your URL mappings to ensure everything is working as it should. Thanks for watching and happy redirecting.